Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Palak is a highly nutritious leafy vegetable and we all know that it has to be included in our diet regularly for maximum health benefits. If you are bored of having palak dal or palak based gravies and curries all the time, here's a special snack recipe for you guys. This is Palak Pakoras and this recipe is super easy to make. So why wait? Let's get started and check out these delicious Palak Pakoras. For the Palak Pakoras, I've taken one bunch of fresh palak leaves and chopped it roughly. You can see this. It's not too large or too fine. So this is a good size. You can just chop them into small pieces like this. So next add 2 medium-sized onions thinly sliced. Add a piece of ginger finely chopped. 2 green chillies finely chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of carom seeds. To this I'm adding all the spice powder starting with 1 teaspoon salt. Now you can adjust the salt according to your taste. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon hing, that is asafoetida powder. So for binding I'm taking 1/4 cup of rice flour. So rice flour will give you a nice crispiness and 1 cup of besan, that is gram flour. So use your hands, it will be easy. Just mix everything. Like I said, you can adjust the seasoning according to your taste. So if you like it a little spicy, you can add extra green chilies or another teaspoon of red chilli powder. Next I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of hot oil to the mixture. Just mix it with a spoon. You don't want to keep your hand to mix the oil. So once you've mixed that, now just add a little water at a time, not too much, so that the mixture is all combined well. So we just want enough water so that it's all well combined. You don't want too much. So if you see, I've added very little water to the mixture and so much of moisture has come out from the palak leaves and the onions. So now that the mixture is all well combined, so our palak pakora mixture is ready. Now we can start making the pakoras. So I've taken enough oil for deep frying in a kadai. Heat the oil on medium flame. Once the oil is nice and hot, take small portions of the palak pakora mixture and gently drop it into the oil. You can deep fry them in batches. So if you see, I'm only taking small portions of the mixture because you want it to cook through, so that way it will be nice and crispy. Just gently flip them over like that. These pakoras are great for evening snack time, for parties, for get-togethers. So if your friends are coming over to watch a movie, you can quickly whip up these delicious pakoras. I'm telling you, they'll all absolutely enjoy them. Once the pakoras have come to a nice golden brown color, you can just remove from the oil and serve it nice and hot. So you can see how simple these palak pakoras are. Now if you have kids coming home from school, you can make these in the evening and give it to them. They're a great and easy snack that you can make in minutes, and you can serve them as is or with some nice chutney or ketchup by the side. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.